nandito ako guys sa cinema. I'm planning to watch Wonder Woman 1984, but I'm on my own right now. So I thought of watching this movie since I'm a big fan of this movie. But the queue is quite long. Anyway, I'm still gonna go inside again. Ticket for Wonder Woman, please.
What time the Wonder Woman?
12:40.
Start ready.
Yeah,
When,
it's already started. Yeah.
Start ready.
Okay. So.
Start very long already.
Oh, what time is the next one?
Next one is 2:10.
Anyway, I'll come back later.
Come here later again.
Papasok ka lang siguro ako sa Daiso. Mamili. Mag-ikot muna ako dito sa Daiso at saka mamili din ng konti. Ang ganda guys. Ang dami ko kasi guys ng mga abubot. So, ibigay ako ng mga storage box para ma-organize ko sila lahat doon. And I'm still choosing which one because this size is too big. Yeah. Yan guys, kumuha ko ng siguro pa lang. So, but siguro bayaran ko na muna ito. Yan, pipila ako. Ayan. Bayad na ako, guys.
Gola.
Very hungry ah. Outside got rain ah.
Very hot.
Very hot ah. 14 item.
Very hot weather.
Ayan, guys. Bumili ako ng recycle bag para ilagay ko dito yung pinamili ko. Ito pala, oh. Marami akong nilalagay. Yung bag ko. So, laki-laki na ngayon ng bag ko. Masyado palang malaking binili ko. Tapos na akong mamili sa Daiso. Ito ng bag ko. Punta muna ako dun sa palamig. Siguro bibili ako ng ice kachang. Yung halo-halo sa atin. Yan ang mga dessert na, guys. Kung mamimili ako. At first, ito, I wanna eat ice cream. Thank you. Durian ice kachang. Maglukbang ako ng ice kachang. Smells like durian. Wanna have the first one? So, I'm literally eating ice with some flavors. It's so yummy. By the way, guys, it's not all crushed ice and some flavor. Inside has at the bottom of this one has red beans. Yeah, yummy red beans. And the right way to eat this actually is you have to mix all together, mix them all together. But I wanted to eat it this way. I'm making hole. I'm digging and I'm making a hole. Red beans. Not all red juice, there's the jelly as well. Green jelly, red jelly. And sweet corn. Sweet corn, yeah. We are almost finished again, and the ice is melting. I can mix them all together now. See little jelly, and this is the sweet corn. I think the red juice. I already ate most of the red juice. I don't really enjoy eating if the ice is already melted, so I started eating just now. And I did not mix them all because I prefer eating it now. Anyway, that's all this was. I just have to finish this. I'm back here. I'm gonna buy a ticket for Wonder Woman movie. I'll be watching on my own. Yeah, so I might not be able to meet my other friends because I decided to watch Wonder Woman. Bumalik ako guys sa pila. Manonood ako ng Wonder Woman. Yeah. Wonder Woman?
What time?
3:10, yeah?
How many?
Just one person.
B2 is okay. Second one for the front.
Second one. Oh, this one with the check.
No have already.
So,
No more seat already.
where is B2?
Second one for the front.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I'll take that one.
Then now,
Yeah.
how to spell your name? Short name. M-A.
R-I.
Huh?
R-I.
R-I.
C-A-R.
C-A-R.
A-R.
Okay. Phone number.
92. So I finally got my ticket. I'm just gonna go to the ladies' room first. Then I'm going straight to the theater because the movie will start at 3:10, and it's already 3:05. Yeah. So I'm gonna enjoy this for sure. I love this movie. I'm going inside now.
What would you venture into if you had no fear? What would you see if you widened your scope and looked a little further? To the person still everything links back to the sea. Singapore. Welcome to the club.
It's time to pour fuel.
So the movie just finished, guys. It was so great. It got me teary-eyed at the end of the movie. It was so great. I really enjoyed it. Ngayon ay nandito ako sa Holland Village, malapit sa place na namin, to meet one of my friend. She's my classmate also in baking class. So I'm gonna meet her for dinner. Yeah. There she is. She's waiting for me. My friend. So I'm just gonna go inside first. So I'm here now. My friend, my chef mate.
Ay, nag-usap na naman. Hindi rin natuloy ngayong Sunday.
Yes. Ayan no, guys, nagkikwento si wala na kami dito. Kasama kaya. Parang lang kami. Ayan, pagkatapos manood ng sine, nagutom.
Kumain.
O-order ng pagkain. Ang ganda ng movie.
Yung bang kukunin nila kung ano yung
Para sa'yo.
nalagay nila sa'yo, nadikit kalimbang nila sa'yo.
Oh.
Tapos wala ka na sa atyan. Kukunin din nila yun.
Finally choose what I wanted to eat. I think I'm gonna order this one. Squid ink pasta. Yeah, so okay.